In today's video, I will walk you through how to create reflection in Adobe Photoshop. Start by selecting the rectangle marquee tool and make a selection up to the reflection point, just like this. Once the selection is ready, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. After that, press Ctrl or Command D to deselect everything. Now right-click on the duplicated layer and choose Flip Vertical. Bring the flipped layer downward and position it right under the original image until the reflection lines up correctly. Once you are happy with the placement, press Enter. Next, hold Ctrl or Command and click on the layer thumbnail to load the selection. Then click on the Mask button. After creating the mask, separate the mask from the layer. Now come back to the layer itself and go to Filter, Blur, and then Motion Blur. Set the angle to 90 degrees. For the distance, you can adjust it as needed. In this example, 19 works fine. Once that looks good, click OK. Again, go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Add a small amount of blur here. For this example, 1.2 works well. Click OK to apply it. Now let's darken the water a little bit. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Levels. Bring the slider slightly to the left. This will darken the whole image. So to apply it only to the reflection, click on the Create Clipping Mask button. This will affect just the water reflection. At this stage, the reflection edge may look a little too sharp. To soften it, go back to the mask and open the Properties panel. Increase the feather slightly until the edge blends more naturally. And there you go. The reflection effect is complete. You can now compare the before and after result and see the final reflection effect in Photoshop.